I welcome all of you once again to my class. I hope you all are fine. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the first lesson of Standard 4. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus, Cordoba Publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the lesson, Silver Anklets. Sometimes children teach adults. Adults means grown people. Read and find out how a girl of your age teaches her father that stealing is wrong. So in this lesson you are going to study how a girl of your age teaches her father that stealing means the act of taking something without permission is wrong. Chanda was playing with her sister Muni when she heard a voice sing, "Toys, beautiful toys." So she was playing with her sister Muni. Suddenly she heard a voice saying, "Toys, beautiful toys." She ran to the door and peeped out. Peeped out means looked quickly at something, especially through a small opening. Standing outside was a toy seller with a big basket on his head. So when Chanda went outside, what did she see? She saw a toy seller carrying a big basket on his head. He looked at both the girls, smiled and put his basket down. So as the toy seller saw Chanda and Muni, what did he do? He kept the basket down. "Guess what I have in my basket," he said with a twinkle in his eyes. So the toy seller is asking the girls, "Guess what I have in my basket," he said with a twinkle. Twinkle means an expression in his eyes. "Show us quickly," said the girls in excitement. So the girls said to show quickly. Why were the girls excited? The toy seller took out a doll, a pretty doll with big black eyes. So what did the toy seller take from the basket? A big black doll with black eyes. A pretty doll with big black eyes. Both Chanda and Muni jumped in excitement. Such a beautiful doll. So both Chanda and Muni, they jumped in excitement seeing the doll. "I'll get the money from my mother," said Muni as she ran into the house. So Muni said, "I will go and get the money from my mother," and she ran inside the house. In her excitement, she did not notice that one of her silver anklets had fallen down. So when Muni went to take, what did she see? She did not notice that one of her silver anklets. What is anklets? Pieces of jewelry worn around the ankles. She did not know that her anklets had fallen down. The toy seller saw the anklet and picked it up. So what did the toy seller see? He saw the anklet and he picked it up. "Is this your sister's anklet?" he asked. And he asked, Is this your sister's anklet?" "Yes, it is," said Chanda without looking at it. So Chanda said, "Yes, it is my sister's anklet," without looking at the anklets. Her eyes were on the door. So Chanda's eyes were on the door. "It must be expensive," he asked again. Expensive means costing a lot of money. Chanda simply nodded. Nodded means moved head up and down to show agreement. "My daughter would also love to have such pretty silver anklets," continued the toy seller. So the toy seller is telling, "See, my daughter also loved to have such pretty silver anklets." Chanda looked at him and asked, "Oh, you have a daughter?" So Chanda looked at the toy seller and asking, "You have a daughter?" "Yes, almost as old as you are." So what did the toy seller say? My daughter is almost as old as you. "Doesn't she have anklets?" "No, we are poor." So what did the toy seller say? No, we are poor. We don't have anklets." "Don't worry. I will ask my father to get anklets for your daughter." Don't worry. Worry means to keep thinking about problems that one has. "Don't worry. I will ask my father to get anklets for your daughter." Muni had still not come with the money. So Muni had gone inside to bring the money and she has not come with the money. Chanda thought that she must find out what was happening in the house. So Chanda went inside to find out what is happening inside the house. She looked at the toy seller and said, "Please wait here, I'll get the money." So now Chanda went inside and said that said to the toy seller, "Please wait here, I will go and get the money." Chanda rushed in to get the money. Rushed means she moved with great speed to bring the money. She found a mother giving it to Muni. When she went there, what did she see? She found the mother giving the money to Muni. They took the money and ran out to give it to the toy seller. So now they gave the money to the toy seller. But the toy seller was not there. So when they came to give the money, what happened? The toy seller was not there. He had disappeared. Disappeared means became impossible to be seen. And that too with Muni's silver anklet. See, the toy seller was disappeared. The toy seller disappeared with Muni's silver anklet. The toy seller has run away with the silver anklet, ma. Both sisters cried loudly. See, the toy seller had disappeared and run away with the silver anklet. Both sisters said, "The toy seller, why did you give it to him?" she asked, and rushed out to look out for him. See, Muni and Chanda's mother rushed out to look for the toy seller. Tears rolled down the girls' cheeks. So both the girls started crying. The tears rolled down the girls' cheeks. Mother consoled them. Consoled means gave comfort. Is called consoled. And warned them to be careful of such thieves. See, mother gave them comforted them and warned them. Warned means told somebody about something unpleasant. Warned them to be careful of such thieves. The next morning, Chanda woke up early. So the next morning, she got up early. She sat beside the window thinking of the anklet, doll and the toy seller. So next morning also Chanda was thinking about the anklet and the toy seller, the doll and the toy seller. She noticed a man and a girl walking towards her house. So what did Chanda notice? She saw a man and a girl walking towards her house. She could not see the man's face as it was covered with cloth. See, Chanda could not see the man's face because it was covered with cloth. The girl was pretty but dressed poorly. There was a girl along with that man. The girl was pretty but she dressed very poorly. She was as old as Chanda. She is as same as Chanda's age. The man stopped. He spoke to the girl and gave her something wrapped in a torn cloth. See, what did the man do? He spoke to the girl and he gave her something wrapped in a torn cloth. The girl, wrapped means covered. The girl walked slowly towards the main door. And what did the girl do? She walked towards the main door. Chanda ran out and looked at the girl. "What do you want?" she asked. So Chanda looked at the girl and said, "What do you want?" The girl lowered her head and said, "I want to talk to your mother." So what did the girl say? She lowered her head. That means she just lowered her head and said, "I want to talk to your mother." "Ma, there is someone at the door. She wants to talk to you," said Chanda loudly. So Chanda said, "Ma, there is someone at the door and she wants to talk to you," said Chanda loudly. A mother looked at the girl and smiled. So Chanda's mother looked at the girl and smiled. The girl did not speak but instead handed the cloth to Chanda's mother. And this girl did not speak anything but she handed the cloth to Chanda's mother. Handed instead means in the place of somebody. This is called instead. She gave the cloth to Chanda's mother. She opened the cloth and it was Muni's anklet. What she did? She opened the cloth and it was Muni's silver anklet. Who do you think was the girl? The girl spoke softly. "I have come to return this anklet." See, the girl is saying that I have come to return this anklet. "The man standing outside is my father." See, the girl said that the man who is standing outside is my father. He is a toy seller. Just then the father came forward. Forward means in front. He uncovered his face. So that he uncovered means removed something that was covered. It's called uncovered. He was the same toy seller who had disappeared with Muni's anklet. And this person was the same toy seller who disappeared with Muni's anklet. He spoke in a low voice and he was speaking in a low voice. Dear child, please take this anklet and forgive me. See, what did that man say? Dear child, please take this anklet and forgive me. Forgive me means to stop feeling angry. I took it for my daughter, but when she came to know that I had stolen it, she refused to take it. So what did the man say? I took this anklet for my daughter, but when she noticed that, but when she knew that I had stolen it, she refused to take it. Refuse means said no to something that was offered. Muni came out of the house. She saw her anklet and danced with joy. So Muni, she came out of a house and she was dancing with when she saw her anklet, she danced with joy. The toy seller looked at everyone. He walked up to his basket and came back with the same doll he had shown the girls. So what did the toy seller do? He went back to his basket and he brought the same doll which he had shown the girls. He gave it to Muni and said, my child, take this doll as a gift. So what did the toy seller give? The toy seller took the doll and gave the children the toy as a gift. Give her a name as lovely as yours. And what did the man say? Give this toy a name as lovely as your name. Chanda's mother looked at the toy seller's daughter and asked, what is your name? So Chanda's mother, she looked at the toy seller's daughter and asked, what is your name? Chandini, she replied. So what did the girl say? My name is Chandini. Well, said Chanda's mother, we shall name the doll Chandini. Everyone agrees. So Chanda's mother decided to call the toy, give the name Chandini. And we shall name the doll Chandini. Everyone agreed and everybody was happy with the suggestion. Chanda, Muni and Chandini are best friends now. Now Chanda, Muni and Chandini are best friends. Chanda's father had got Chandini admitted in a neighboring school. So what did Chanda's father do? She got Chandini admitted in the neighboring school. Neighboring means the area near a particular place in the neighboring school. He wants his daughters to be as honest and truthful as Chandini. And see, Chanda's father wants his daughters to be as honest and truthful as Chandini. Now the moral of the lesson is honesty is the best policy. I hope you all understood this lesson. Okay children, please read this lesson. Please like, please share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay children, I will meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.